myself Amrit. Do you have a black and white images or a old images? If you have, then this tutorial is for you. I will show you in this tutorial how you can turn that black and white images into a colorized in just a one click, and you can do it for a free. So let's get started. To follow this tutorial, you can download our images from a description, or you can use your old images. In a first step, go to this website which name is a Cutout.pro. After that, just upload your image here and click on upload, and just select your image which you want to colorize. I will select it, and in just a few seconds your images turn into a colorized, and I will tell you how you get that images for free in a HD qualities. Have a look at it. This is our black and white image, and this is a colorized image. You can download it for a free. Just click on a free download and your image will download. You can also download here HD photos, but you have only 2 credits. But I will tell you a trick how you can use this free download version and convert that into a HD photos. For that, just open your Photoshop or a Photopea. I will use here a Photopea, which is a free web-based software to a Photoshop. You can also use a Photoshop. So after opening a Photoshop or a Photopea, you can open your image here. I will click on this open from my computer. First, I will open my black and white image to here. Our black and white image is open now. After that, just open your colorized image which you can download from that website. I will click on files and click here open and place, and I will import my that image which I download from that website. Our image is open now. After that, just drag this image upon a background layer and then increase its size to your black and white image. Make sure the all corners are fit according to our black and white image. I will zoom it out. Have a look at it. This is look blurry, but I will make it into a HD. After that, just change its blending mode from normal to here colorize. I will click on a colorize, and our black and white image now convert into a color with HD format. I will zoom it for you. Have a look at it. This is look now HD, and this is our free trick. Now the tutorial is finished. If you want to skip the next part, then you can do, but I have some other tips and tricks for you. Just open your website which I tell you, Cutout Pro. With this AI website, you can remove your images background, and you can also enhance your images, and you can also remove unwanted objects from any images. Just see here how you can remove that. You can try this AI website which is amazing. You also turn your images into a cartoon images. That's it. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like this video and also subscribe the channel for more videos like this. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.